August 15th, national holiday in Italy, a day on which families are gathering everywhere for huge meals of roasted goose and so forth, and potatoes, and pasta with goose meat. We're not having such a feast today. It's 37 degrees outside. Over 37 now, over 100. Incredible heat for the last 2 months. So here's our August 15th lunch. Prosciutto from Ristorante Giovannino, right near us. Figs from our tree. Cucumber salad. I'm going to add some sliced purple onion to that with our olive oil and Peppa's vinegar, our friend Peppa. Tomatoes as well, and tomatoes and cucumbers to mix together, all from our garden. Eggplant, cooked with our tomatoes, our zucchini, our olive oil, and fresh mint from the garden. That mint is right here in our vases from Sicily. Those vases are called I mori, and there's some of the fresh mint. Vino rosso will accompany everything. What's for dessert? Haven't made it yet, but very simple. Sliced peaches with lemon juice and a little white wine. And this is our simple summer feast for August 15th as we're cooking in Italy. We're cooking figuratively, so I am not cooking literally today. Buona festa! And how could I forget bruschetta with our tomatoes, our basil, and our olive oil. This is an important touch to this summer meal, the only hot food we'll be having. I've toasted the bread, rubbed it with garlic, added on the top tomatoes, basil, salt, and olive oil, and just warming the bread slightly again before serving. Buon appetito!